Hey Reefers, in today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step instructions on how to install your Wi-Fi app board into your ReefBreeders Edge bars. So let's dive into it. The tools needed for today's video is a Phillips screwdriver, utility knife, wrench, and pry bar. First step, remove the plugs. Once you have the plugs removed, use the plastic pry bar to remove the knob. Remove the nut that was hiding under the plastic knob. Next, remove the screws from the faceplate. Once you have all 4 screws removed from the faceplate, you're ready to remove the faceplate itself. Next, slide out the glass. Make sure to set this somewhere safe so you don't risk breaking it. Next, install your new Wi-Fi chip. Insert the prongs as shown below here. And that's it. Now you're ready to reinstall everything in reverse steps. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more ReefBreeder videos. Check out these videos on how to correctly install your Wi-Fi to the new Nexus app.